These honey ginger snap biscuits are so quick and easy to put together. We're going to start by getting a baking tray and just pop some baking paper over the top and put it to the side. Next we're going to get a bowl and we're going to take our flour. We're just going to put that into the bowl. We're going to add our ginger, and then we're going to add our cinnamon and our mixed spice, pinch of salt, and then we're just going to take a spatula and we're just going to mix all those ingredients together. We're just going to mix it up until they have all totally combined like this. Then we're just going to put that to the side. We're going to get our butter that I've cut into cubes. I'm going to add my honey and I'm going to add the golden syrup. Next we're going to add our brown sugar. And then we're just going to take a spoon and we're going to stir these ingredients together. Now that butter was left on the side to soften up a little bit. So we're just going to mix that all up like this. And then we're just going to pop that into a microwave on high for 30-second increments until the sugar has melted. This took 3 lots of 30 for me. But once you can see that that sugar has melted down into that liquid, give it a good stir. And then we're going to add our bicarb soda to this mix. Now I'm just going to leave it for 1 minute to cool down a little bit, and then I'm going to get the bicarb and we're going to add that to the bowl. And as you stir this, you can see that it changes colour and it goes into almost a creamy consistency. It starts to froth up, and as you can see it thickens and gets frothy, and also it changes into a lighter colour. This is exactly what you want. Once we've given that a really good stir up with a spoon, we're then going to get our dry mix that we prepared earlier. I'm just going to make a well in the middle, and then we're going to pour this mixture into that dry mix. And then I'm simply going to combine these two together. Now once it has all combined together, it will become like a sticky mixture. It may be a little bit gooey at this point, but then we're going to put this into the refrigerator for about 5 minutes, just until it sets off a little, so that we are able to take pieces out and to roll it. So while that's in the refrigerator, we're just going to mix our caster sugar and our cinnamon together, and this is what we're going to sprinkle over the top of the biscuits once we've made them. So next we're going to get our pan that's covered with that baking sheet. I'm going to use a tablespoon measure, and I'm just going to roll the mixture in my hands into a ball, and then I'm going to pop that onto the baking paper and just press it down with my fingertips like this. And then we're going to get another one. Now you should get 6 equal portions out of this mix. And these are quite large biscuits, so if you want smaller biscuits you can make them half a tablespoon and then you'll get 12. So once we've done all 6, just pat them down like this. And then we're going to get that mix that we made earlier, the caster sugar and cinnamon, and I'm simply going to spread that over the top of each of these biscuits like this. This is a great one for the kids to make for school lunches. Very quick and easy to put together. So now we're just going to pop these into the oven or air fryer, preheated 160 degrees for about 10 minutes. And this is what they look like when they come out. They're a little bit soft at this point. Just let them harden off for about 10 minutes. Plate them up and you're ready to go. So those really are quick, easy and very, very tasty. Nanny D's Honey Ginger Snaps.